Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Silver Star Digital Electric Smoker. Before I start, I'm going to lay everything out and check the owner's manual to make sure that I have all the parts. The first step is putting the wheels on the legs. Next, I'm going to secure the legs to the bottom cabinet. Secure the control panel to the front legs. Mount the support bar to the back legs. And secure the support panels to the left and right sides. Secure the power cord bracket to the left leg panel and run the cord through the mounting bracket. Mount the bottom chamber to the underside of the cabinet assembly. Use screws, nuts, and spring washers to mount dampers to the inside of the smoker cabinet. Attach the handle, mount the smoker cabinet to the lower assembly. Next, install the cooking supports to your desired heights. Then install the water pan and slide in the cooking grids. Attach the thermometer. Mount the handle to the door and the latch to the cabinet. Slide in the drawers and you're ready to smoke. And that's how you assemble the Pit Boss Silver Star Digital Electric Smoker. Thanks for watching, and go online to pitbossgrills.com to check out other products.